Let's take a look at how we're going to customize any kit on our site. And what we're about to show you applies to any kit. You can customize it to exactly what you need. So what we recommend is finding a kit that's close to what you're looking for. Let's say this combination kit here is close to what you're looking for. We'll go ahead and add that into the cart. Now what's nice about our kits is that the system breaks all the parts up individually. So we can see each part in here. Now we can just customize it. Maybe we only want one dome and we want 3 bullet cameras. Maybe we want an extra cable. We can make the adjustments. We come down and we update shopping cart, and the system will automatically update it, and additional discounts will be automatically loaded over here based on how we change this kit. Now let's say, for example, okay, this is close to what I want, but maybe I only want 1 bullet. We'll update that. And then let's go in and let's add some more cameras. Maybe we want a long range camera. We'll go down to the cameras. Let's find, let's go with a 240. Let's go with the 240. We add that into the cart. And it'll show up at the bottom here. Maybe we want 2 of those. And so now we update that. So now we've got 2 long-range 240s, 1 120, and 1 dome camera. And so all the adjustments have been made, and now with our here's our discount and here's our total price. But now we have completely customized this kit to something totally different than what it was, and you can continue to do that. Now once you get everything in the cart, the beautiful thing about this system is you'll notice the email quote button right here. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now, if you put your name in and provide it with a email address, the other stuff down here is optional. You can put notes in here if you want to send different quotes and you want to notate different things about each quote. But all you do is put your name and your email in and click Get Quote. And so what our system does, it automatically packages this into a beautiful PDF that you can present to people, and it will send a link to your email page. And so let's go to the email page here. This is my personal email, and here's a requested quote. And if I click on it, this is the email you'll receive, and when I click on the quote link, this is the PDF email that we just created based on the products that we selected. And now you can download it right here and you can print it. Now let's say we wanted to go ahead and purchase this particular equipment, but we want to do financing. All you do is proceed to checkout, and in the purchasing options, you simply select Affirm. What that will do is while you're checking out, it'll quickly check backgrounds, it'll quickly set up payment options for you, and if you agree with it and you think it's a good deal for you, then you can just simply check out with Affirm. It'll take you to their site, you provide a little bit of information, but now you've just financed your entire purchase with Affirm. So now you can just make easy monthly payments, and you didn't have to apply for a loan and you didn't have to apply for credit. It's all done right during checkout. Very fast and an easy way to get your system financed if your budget is limited.